Hi Muse, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, as the title kindly suggests, we are going to recreate this amazing look that Maddy Perez wore on Euphoria. So if you are interested in finding out how to create this look and also the tips and tricks of it, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, hi. My name is Andrea. I'm doing makeup and beauty videos here on YouTube. So if that sounds like your thing, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video. And also join me on Instagram at amewnition. So as I quickly mentioned in the intro and in the title down below, we are going to recreate the blue shimmery rhinestone beautiful look that Maddy Perez wore in Euphoria. So if that sounds like something you're interested about, then stick around. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to look at are the brows, and I'm going to take quickly a spoolie and brush through my brows. Next up, I'm going to take my Spectrum A17 brush and I'm going to go in the shade Chocolate into the darker shade and quickly fill the tails of my brows. Okay, so those would be the brows. Now we are going to move on to the eyes. For that, I'm going to use the MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre, pretty much build the form that I'm going to need later on. Okay, so now that we have our form traced, we can go on with eyeshadow and start to create that beautiful look. For that, I'm going to go into the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blood palette into the shade Cullinan, which is the white. Next up, I'm going to use the same palette and go into the shade Ice Tray, which is this next blue. I'm going to put it next and blend it. So far, this eyeshadow look is giving me Elsa vibes. Okay, now we are gonna go back into the pigment and deepen that out. Now I'm going to take the next shade, which is Deceased, which is the next blue. And now for the last part of our eyeshadow, we are going to go into the last shade, which is Ocean Eyes, and it's this beautiful, beautiful blue. And we are gonna go and finish that little wing at the end. I'm going to go with a smaller packing brush and go over those colors to just make sure that everything is blended out. And also, don't worry if you haven't got like the straightest line in the world, because we are going to correct that. Now, I'm going to take a bit of concealer and just clean that line. Okay, so now we are taking a smaller crease brush and we are going to clean the edges just to make sure everything is nice and clean. And there you have it, the eyeshadow done. And now we're going to move on to the actual rhinestones, and for that I'm going to use the Berry M face crystals and face jewels, which look like this. This is the finished eyeshadow look. I'm going to quickly pop off camera, put on some lashes and come right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look and I have to say I am really pleased with how this look turned out. Yes, it takes a bit more time than a usual makeup look because of the rhinestones, but if you have the luck to find the rhinestone set in the exact form that you need, and you don't need to press one by one like I had to do in some of the cases, then it is going to take you a lot less time and it's going to be useful. But overall, I am so freaking excited with how this look turned out. I really have to say, I think it looks pretty similar with how Maddy's makeup looked in Euphoria, and I'm super pleased with it. Thank you so much for sticking around with me to do this tutorial. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also don't forget to join me on Instagram at amewnition. Until next time, thank you so much for sticking around, you guys. Bye!